So this is the Warco GH Major. It's a gear head milling machine, and maybe like me, you've been watching YouTube videos of CNC milling machines or just manual milling machines, and you perhaps fancy a milling machine yourself, as I did. So this is the one I bought. It has a high-low gearbox and 3-speed gearbox, which gives you a combination of various gear speeds, 75, 180, 280, 600, 1000 and 1600 RPM. It's got quite a large bed, I believe 700 by 250mm, gives you about a 500mm travel left to right on the longitudinal travel, and then backwards and forwards, again quite a good travel, I think about 250, 300mm. You can lock it, there's a lock underneath here. At the moment I've got the head sat at like the midway point, as well as the spindle travel, so undo that. You can also adjust the head, undo these two bolts here, and around this side there's a handle, so you can adjust the head of that. It's got this guard on. Now it won't work unless that guard is shut. Now it's slightly annoying because you can't see the workers clear, but I am a big fan of safety. But I may consider removing this guard, taking these screws out, and then technically I can just turn that to trigger the switch to allow the power to work, but I'll see how it goes with the guard on. It's got forward and reverse, stop and an emergency stop. You can get it with a Warco base and a Warco drip tray. You can also get it with power feed and coolant system. I might get those items, the power feed and the coolant system, for this when I'm feeling a bit richer. But for now, I just built my own base, and I might eventually make my own drip tray, and as I say, I might upgrade to the power feed and coolant system in the future. The machine, it weighs 320 kilograms, so it was a bit of a job to get this machine in here. Yeah, now I got this in here before I got the 4 walls on my shed up, and the roof on, which made it a bit easier. If I had to get through the door, it might be a bit harder work. It has a Morse Taper 3 spindle in there, and an M12 drawbar, which was annoying because the drawbar it came with was just at M10, and my collet chucks are all M12, so I had to get a bit of M12 threaded bar, just to use as a drawbar for now for the chucks I've got. What I'll maybe do is we'll get it fired up and we'll just see if we can show a cut on this machine.